guys. So day 3, we're here para mag-rent og bike. And yeah, because it's Wednesday, so it means we're gonna have to be resting. Magpahuway be! Saba. So guys, ang ilang pagrenta diri sa bike is 150. And it's for 1 day rapod. Napod sila yung souvenirs diri guys. Bye, ningkata gyud ang up bye. So kaniya akong gipili nga bike no kay mountain bike, mostly ani mountain bike nya uban kay pang girls. So guys, unya lang daw namo gamiton ang bikes because we can only use them till 3 PM daw. So we're gonna have to wait a few hours para magamit mis bike. Karon mag-stroll sa me around diri sa Siargao because yeah, why not? Mga travelers man may bike. We walk everywhere.
Yeah, let's go.
Cemetery, sir?
Cemetery.
Cemetery? Oh, it says cemetery.
Ano to sluyo, cemetery.
Mabaw kayong tubig oh. Puro malig mga parkingan sa mga barko eh. Mga bangka dahil. Bangka. Ato ta guys na. Ato ta guys. Mabaw naman ang tubig, di ba? Wow, daga nagsiwid ay. How am I able to cross this? Oh, okay naman. Layo na kayo ko no? Layo na kayo ko guys. What the heck dude? Whoa, it's a nice view though. So my sister told me to take a picture of that boat there. Yeah, it's that one. Whoa, guys, look at this. Oh, dude, they make weird movements here. Oh, guys, so weird. There's a lot of them, dude. Lina tanaw no eh. But looks cool though at the same time. They're everywhere. Layo pa kay kus bangka. What the heck? Oh, guys, muna siyang Guyam Island. Yang tupad anang island kay mo na ang Dako Island. As you can see, Dako gyud siyang island no. Pero mo ni ang Guyam Island which is gamay sad. Before I go there, I have to pause this first. Okay, mahadlok ta mabasa niya ni. Okay? Okay, bye. Okay guys, I just came all the way here. Yeah, manang sailboat. Yeah, I'm very far away from the shore, guys. Woo! Buko ka explain, nani din kalayo di ay. Oh, nice king clouds. Woo! I'm gonna have to take a picture of it real quick. Yeah, wala dyan tayo nga no. Mura yun ang kalipay na ako guys. Woo! Bye boats. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to go back to the shore now. I really have to be careful here kay naidaghan to yun. GG bro. Nah, you've got to be kidding me. Just when I'm about to get back to the shore guys, padong ako igsoon din, gingnan ko niya nga. Pangitaon daw ng tuyom. What the fuck? Unsay mo kita?
He moved.
What the heck guys?
He moved on his own.
Can't do anything but watch. Oh! Ayaw pa ko na. Oh! Oh, mana? Oh, di ba? Okay na. Kapinis ko lang. Kapoy na kanting. Okay. Init yung kayong tubig. Woo! Murag, hot spring or jacuzzi. Let me guys feeling guys. Guys. Okay guys. Ano Oh, it looks so awesome. Whoa, I found something that's very interesting. Naabot ta, safe and sound. Nito kayo tanaw no. At first sabi na murag mushroom or jellyfish pero shell man niya. Bawa na buak.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
I found something cool, then I broke it.
What was it?
It's a shell.
Yung nabuha?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Can you see it, guys? It's moving. Surfers. Pantog rade mag-surf sila. Maybe they're going there. That way. Or maybe this way. This way. Yeah. I'm gonna say waves. Yeah. Look at that doggo. Okay, wait. Next guys is rain. Ready. People. Woo. We bikes people. Asan ate? Oh, there she is. Okay, I saw them. Okay. So guys, we've came across in a school diri sa Siargao. Sige pangalan yung eskwelahan gani. Lalo na. General Luna. And yeah, my sister's trying to learn how to ride a bike.
Just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!
My face is so red right now. It hurts. I'm gonna rest. Hapdos guys, my face. Okay, I think nya pa dito ang gabi di ay nagkuan ra day mi tawagan ni. Nag-canvas.
Survey the scene.
Yeah, we're surveying the scene. Okay guys, we're going back to the cottage sa point 303 where we sleep because na naman may bike. Huwag namin. Pero yuli pa yun niya to ang bike ikaugma. Limited ra because we rent. Yeah. Slowly but surely. Woo! Guys, do you guys have any idea on San Izia? Let me know kung kiba mo because curious ko. guys, mag a whole new world ko ah. Kanya na ka dyan lang. Awa guys ah. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? Abo naman data. Okay. Yay! Oh wait, wala ako na lagi usa. Grabe, pawahanan na ako gagtang eh. There they are. Yeah. There they are. Woo. Very good exercise we have been. Very sweaty and very hot, yeah. So very hot. Kapoy na eh. I'm sweating. Okay. So, magbaway sa mga kadyot. Init. Oh my god. I'm gonna go take a shower. Joke ko to guys. Maglaag pa bitaw eh.